Oh, what a stroke. That, again, not hesitant to come forward. Oh, crisp timing. Flighted delivery. Taken full advantage of. Nicely pierced the gap between those 5 fielders on the offside and 2 to be precise around the cover region of experience, along with Shefali Verma, who could strike the ball. 850s, 130 plus strike rate, joined by Anisha Ghosh.
গ্রাম পটাটা চিপস নাকি বিস্কুট খেয়ে বুঝে নাও।
Oh, what a stroke. That is beautifully hit straight downtown. And 1 bounce for 4.
Hemalata can remain padded up for now because here is Shefali Verma bringing out an exquisite lofted straight dive, holds the pose. Elegant, exquisite. The timing so immaculate on this one.
So nicely hit. It was full there to be hit, but executed. Again, not hesitant to come forward. Oh, crisp timing. That raced away off the bat of Shefali Verma. 4 runs.
Such strong wrist work on display from Verma. Flicked into the leg side. And the fielder, Nahida Akhtar, had no answer whatsoever. Those wrists are made in Haryana, mind you. Her father used to make her work out with tires, car tires.
Flighted delivery. Taken full advantage of. Nicely pierced the gap between those 5 fielders on the offside and 2 to be precise around the cover region. Result, 4 runs.
Shefali once again showing her class. Reached the ball very well and into the gap, 4 runs.
Yeah. It was a lower full toss, which she connected nicely. Shorifa replaced Sultana. Something out of it. Goes aerial. That's hit hard again. 1 bounce for 4. Second boundary of the over.
Bowler has no answer this time again. But if you saw the fielding setup, mid-wicket on the deep, long on in the deep, you have to bowl into the stump. You can't bowl outside the off.
Very good point. Very good point. One is line, outside the off stump. Second, in terms of length, it was in the slot. Now, on-field umpires just want to confirm if it fell within the boundary lines. Took pace off. Sweep deployed. Away from that fielder from deep mid-wicket. Ball defeats Rabia and gets to the boundary. Make it 3 boundaries of the Shorifa over. 12 runs of it. 4 overs done with. 38 for no loss.
Shorifa surely wanted to forget this over. That's a very big over for India, Team India. Reached the ball very well, swept at lunges.
And box end. Flighted outside off stump and will get an edge. It races away to the boundary, does it? Yes, it does. Another boundary added to the name of Shefali Verma, who motors on and reaches 34 of this 21 balls.
She really wanted to give it a whack. She steps outside the off stump, making room. An inside out kind of a shot, gets the outside edge and trickles down to the third man for 4. Nahida Akhtar beautifully played. Just look at the manner in which she has played it and executed it through covers. A dream of a shot. A connoisseur's delight there by Shefali Verma.
Placement and precision absolutely on point from Verma there. Bisected the field with a plumb. And when Shefali Verma is hitting like that, the best place to be is the non-strikers end.
With the game. Once again, Shefali Verma hits it over the top of the long off fielder for 4.
There are an estimated 650 muscles in the human body. And with that stroke, Shefali Verma put each one of them to great use.
She doesn't take her follow through all the way. It's halfway between that. There you see, It's and supple riffs as you can make out from all the shots that she's been playing.
Her knock has had everything. What a superb take was that from the bowler. A one-handed return catch from media pacer Ritumoni. And an antithetical sort of a dismissal against the run of play for Verma, isn't that, Shamunai?
Absolutely. Bowled straight, hit straight, but she's taken a blinder of the right hand, single-handed catch, and follow through was the other way. She had to adjust and then dive to her right, getting to her knees, but making sure that she's taken a catch, but taking nothing away from that innings. A blistering knock by Shafali Verma, 51 of 38, striking at 134. She goes cotton bowled, Ritumoni.
Pitched on the six-stump line. Just ensured that she held on to that catch, and even Shafali Verma has a laugh. She cannot believe that Ritumoni effected that superb return catch. And Shamona, I'll be honest, the better return catch effected by a fast bowler I've seen in recent times.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.